Welcome to DPS Prime Time, the official news bulletin of Delhi Public School Balotra, bringing you highlights from across academics, co-curriculars and campus life. In this edition, we cover key updates from the student counseling selection process, ongoing academic assessments and a series of engaging activities and celebration planned for July. We also spotlight latest in STEM education, CBSE workshops, intra-house competition, receiving dynamic spirit of our school community. Let's begin with top stories that shaping vibrant and eventful month at DPS Balotra.
This is the special segment of DPS Prime Time. Hey, I am Nabdi from grade 9 here to share a beautiful green initiative that took place on 23 July at our very own DPS Balotra. The event, Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam, was a grateful tribute to motherhood and Mother Earth that is celebrated through 100 saplings of our plants and on our school campus. The event was graced by esteemed guests from the Income Tax Department including Sudhanshu Shekhar Jha, Miss Alka Rajwanshi Jain and Mr. Arvind Gehlot. Miss Jain's inspiring address and interactive question answers with students made the day most even special. Our school leaders, Chairman Mr. Madanji Salecha, Director Mr. Dilip Sanecha and Principal Miss Rachna Bakshi warmly welcomed the guests and appreciated them to contribute to the environmental awareness. The program concluded with a powerful pledge by students, teachers and guests to protect our environment and promote greenery in every corner. That's all for now from DPS Prime Time. This is Labdi signaling off the message, plant a tree, nurture it and dedicate it with love.
Now it's time to add some extra colors, cuteness and creativity to our green celebration. Our little stars from nursery to class 2 have took part in a joyful fancy dress competition based on the theme nature and environment. From trees and rivers to flowers, animals and even recycling bin. The stage was filled with adorable characters and thoughtful messages. Their innocent expression and meaningful costume reminded us to protect nature, begin with awareness, and who better to start with our youngest learner. A big round of applause for our little eco-warriors for making nature come alive with so much love and creativity.
Delhi Public School Balotra proudly unveiled its Student Council for the academic year 2025 and 26, a celebration of student leadership, responsibility and vision. The investiture ceremony was led by our respected principal, Ms. Rachna Bakshi, who administered the oath and inspired council members to lead with integrity, compassion and courage. Presenting the newly appointed core council, Head Boy Dhruv Soni, Head Girl Ishika Singhal, Cultural In Charge Yuvika Bhandari, Discipline In Charge Jinal Jain and Sports Captain Shravya Jindal. They all are joined by the house captains of Nirbhay, Shaurya, Prahar and Pragati, all set to lead with teamwork and spirit. In DPS Balotra, leadership is not just a title, it's a commitment. And these young leaders are ready to lead the way.
Hello everyone, I am Aradhana from grade 7th and now you are watching DPS Prime Time. On 8 July, DPS Balotra had turned green as we celebrated one Mahotsav with great joy. Our little eco-warriors from nursery to grade 5th bought beautiful plants at the plantation all around their campus. With tiny hands and big hearts, they took a step towards a greener tomorrow. The message was clear, plant today and breathe better tomorrow. That's all for today. Stay green, stay tuned. This is Aradhana signing off from DPS Prime Time.
Hello everyone, my name is Garma Soni and you are watching DPS Prime Time. On 11 July, DPS Balotra light up with joy nursery to grade 2nd celebrated Pajama to Fun. Looks so pretty, packed with large dance and games. At the DPS Balotra, learning to make happiness on every single day. This is Garma Soni signing off, smiling on DPS Prime Time.
Hello everyone, I am Hridaya and I am super excited to share you the highlights of a fun-filled event at our school, the talent show competition. On 25th July, the youngest stars in our school from nursery to grade 2nd lit up the stage with their cute performances from singing and dancing to fancy dress and storytelling. Every act brought smiles and applause. Then on 26th July, it was the time for the students of grade 3rd to 8th to take the spotlight with energetic dances, soulful songs, skits and poems. The stage was full of creativity and confidence. A big shout out to all the participants, teachers and coordinators for making it so memorable. DPS Balotra truly celebrates every child's talent. That's all from me, Hridaya. Stay inspired, keep shining. Thank you.
Talent Public School Balotra successfully organized a one-day STEM workshop on experiential learning for secondary level students. The event brought CBSE school teachers together who shared innovative hands-on teaching strategies. The workshop was inaugurated by Mr. Prithviraj Dave, retired DEO, and Mr. Gurudat Sharma, retired principal, who appreciated the school's focus on application-based learning. Principal Ms. Rachna Bakshi welcomed the guests and highlighted the importance of experiential learning as per NEP 2020. The judges for the event included Mr. Arvind Singh, Mr. Daulatraj Songra, and Mr. Harnat Chara. Schools like St. Paul, Tulsi Kids, JNV Pachpadra, Vivekanand Model School, and Sivana actively participated. The workshop was concluded with the felicitation of teachers and judges with a warm vote of thanks from the school management.
Hello everyone. On 31st July, DPS Balotra held the inter-house badminton competition for classes 3rd to 12th. All the 4 houses, Pragati, Prahar, Nirbhay, Shaurya, took part with full energy. The students played the game with great focus and team spirit. The matches were interesting and fun to watch. Our sports teacher helped and guided the players. It was a day full of cheers and happiness. We also had the table tennis inter-house competition for classes 6 to 12. Everyone followed the rules and played with respect. The matches were fast and students showed quick moves with smart skills. Our principal, Mrs. Rachna Bakshi, praised all the players and told us how the sports help us become confident. It was a great day for all sports lovers. DPS Balotra, where champions rise.
In the spotlight this month, DPS Balotra is boldly stepping into the future with the launch of its very own Student AI Club. Starting from this month, students from grades 6 to 12 will get a hands-on platform to explore the exciting world of artificial intelligence. From tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Canva AI to creating real-world AI projects. This club is set to turn ideas into innovation. And here is the big announcement. The selection process for the AI Club's core team begins this month. So, if you are passionate about AI, coding, design thinking, or leadership, this is your moment to shine. The AI Club will host workshops, expert mentoring sessions, project showcases, and many more, all aligned with CBSE skill development and NEP 2020. DPS Balotra is not just preparing students for tomorrow, we are empowering them to create it.
That concludes this edition of DPS Primetime, showcasing academic progress, vibrant activities and innovation-driven learning at DPS Balotra. As we move forward, let's continue to invest excellence, creativity and collaboration in every sphere of school life. We will be back with some more new updates, achievements and inspiring moments from our school campus. Until next time, thank you for watching DPS Primetime, where learning meets leadership.
आपको हमारा DPS प्राइम टाइम सेगमेंट कैसा लगा? अपना ओपिनियन #DPS प्राइम टाइम में कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं।